In this lesson, you will learn about the problems with the lack of good national values. Let's begin. When people do something or make an action, something else happens. This is called a consequence. consequence. The consequence of an action is something that happens after the action is taken. It's like the result of something done. Some consequences are bad and some are good. It's simple, really. If you make bad decisions, there will be bad consequences. If you make good decisions, there will be good consequences or results. The same applies to the society we live in today. Problems or bad consequences happen when a society goes against its belief in good national values. This causes separation and confusion in society and among the people. You need to know about these problems because they change good national values. I will tell you about a few problems that may arise if a society does not believe in upholding good national values. One of the problems that causes a lack of good national values is 1. Ignorance. 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 Seeking knowledge is one of the great ways to practice good national values. Staying ignorant, or when people often say, "I don't know," or "I'm not sure," encourages them to find an excuse to make mistakes that affect the society in a very negative way. A national value, for example, is a national flag. It is important to respect the national flag by keeping it off the ground and not abusing it in any way. Where someone is ignorant of this, it is possible that they abuse the national flag by handling it carelessly or making it dirty, and so on. When you're ignorant of something, it means that you do not know anything about that thing or you're not aware that the thing exists. When someone is not aware that national value exists, then they might abuse it. Therefore, it is important to find and build knowledge. The second problem that causes a lack of good national values is tribalism. 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 A person practices tribalism or is tribalistic when they are unfairly loyal to a tribe or a social group. They also do this sometimes at the expense of a different tribe or social group. A person in a political office, for example, might employ people only from his tribe, even if others are more qualified and suitable for the job. This is a good example of tribalism or a tribalistic action. Tribalism causes tribes, social groups, and communities to go against themselves in tribal battles and extreme disagreement, which is a disadvantage to upholding good national values. But if there is an understanding and acceptance of national values, peace can occur and the nation is threatened because of this. A third problem that causes a lack of good national values is a decrease in economic growth. The growth of every economy is very important, especially when the people are at peace and are willing to work together. But if national values are not upheld, economic growth is threatened if communities, tribes, and ethnic groups are at war. There would be no commerce and trade amongst these groups. Without trade and commerce, money and wealth will not be circulated across the country. If this happens, the economy is very badly affected. Good national values are very important for society's peace and harmony. Without good national values, there will be problems that lead to confusion and disharmony. A country suffers badly because of this. You have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something new. Did you find the lesson interesting too? I did. In the next lesson, you will learn something more interesting. Until then, bye for now.